Hello everyone, welcome back to Hamza Cooks. Today I'm making chicken fajita burgers. So stay tuned. I'll show you step by step how to make the perfect chicken fajita burgers. So first of all, we'll do the chicken cutting. For that, we have to place our cutting board that I have placed. Whenever you make something, keep that in mind. The hygiene should be top notch, like you are wearing your gloves. First of all, we have to cut the chicken and then we'll do the marination. So, start by cutting the chicken breast. Now that the chicken is cut, you have to cut it like of this size. We'll do the marination. For that, I will mention all the ingredients and their quantity along. First of all, we will use dried oregano leaves. That is 1 tablespoon. Half tablespoon paprika powder. 1 tablespoon black pepper powder. Tablespoon chili flakes. 1 tablespoon tikka masala. 1 tablespoon salt. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. And 2 tablespoons of vinegar. So now give it a good mix. So now we'll cover and refrigerate for about 30 minutes. I'll meet you after 30 minutes. Now let's make burger sauce. First we will add mayonnaise 1 cup. After that I will add 4 tablespoons of milk, half teaspoon of white pepper powder and half teaspoon of black pepper powder and about half teaspoon of salt. Once it has become thick, set it aside. Add the required amount of oil. Let oil simmer a little bit. Then we will add chicken in it and fry for like 10 minutes. When the oil has become hot enough, add the chicken in it carefully. Let it cook for 10 to 12 minutes. Make sure you don't overcook it. As you can see, the color of the chicken has changed to light brown. We will cook for like 3 to 4 minutes more and then we'll add capsicum in it. Chicken is almost done. At this point, I will add green capsicum and cook for about 2 minutes. Remember to keep the crunch, not to overcook this. At this point, I will add mozzarella cheese. recipe, you can use two kinds of burger buns, brioche burger buns and potato buns. If you don't get brioche burger buns, you can use potato buns. We'll do the next procedure now for dressing. First of all, we will apply the sauce as a base and then a layer of chicken filling, some onions. Our bun is ready. Make as much as buns you have. Let's pick a smaller one and see how it turned out. I'll meet you in another recipe tomorrow. So goodbye.